It's all about brotherhood here today. You know, there's no work involved. It's a good day to come together, all have your rowing the boat in the same direction, putting your wallets together to help some local charity. It's a good day for everybody.
Close to 100 bikes that normally show up, and they take a ride throughout the prettier parts of New Jersey, go out towards western New Jersey. They loop back here. We'll have bands all day long. We have breakfast, we have lunch. Again, it's just bringing together our brothers and sisters so that they have a moment that they can have some fun with their families, but most importantly, at the end of the day, we have an impact on those who are underserved.
I feel like this event is an opportunity to change other lives. I think it's important. I think 102 really cares, and people don't always realize that.
Raffles are a lot of fun. Just seeing all the bikes is cool. All the cars are really pretty. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. You got good donuts, good food, good entertainment.
This event's great. Not only do we raise money for great charities, but it also brings members together, families together, and the community together.